When men talk about health, it somehow turns into sports, grilled steaks, and pretending everything's fine.
Meanwhile, somewhere nearby, a woman is rolling her eyes hard enough to power an entire city.
Welcome back to Nourish Today, where we talk real health, real science, and lovingly roast you into finally seeing a doctor.
Today, we're tackling a topic many men avoid, even though ignoring it doesn't make it disappear: prostate cancer.
That tiny donut-shaped gland in the worst possible location still manages to confuse, scare, and mislead millions of men.
But don't worry, this isn't a dry lecture where someone reads stats until your soul sneaks out of your body.
This is a journey. Stories from experts worldwide and real men
whose lives were changed by what they didn't know about prostate cancer.
And trust me, you want to hear this, because nothing is more dangerous than a myth disguised as common sense.
Especially those barbecue myths. I'll feel it if it's serious, only old guys get it, or treatment always ruins your life. The same guys who believe these myths trust duct tape for everything and treat Google Maps like a casual suggestion.
One Caucasian female professor joked, men treat prostate cancer like Voldemort. If they don't say the word, they think it can't hurt them.
But this isn't Voldemort. You can talk about it, and that conversation might be what actually saves your life.
Men can diagnose a rash themselves and shrug off chest pain, but mention a prostate exam and suddenly they're philosophers.
Here's the twist. Early prostate cancer is one of the most treatable cancers we know, if you actually get checked. Across the world, families tell the same story. He thought he didn't need a check, or that symptoms would warn him.
The men who did get checked early say that moment changed everything. Knowledge removed fear, and action gave them control.
Here at Nourish Today, we're not here to scare you. We're here for clarity, honesty, and a few laughs along the way.
We all need that one friend who says, hey, maybe take care of yourself before the universe sends you a very expensive bill.
So in this video, we're breaking down the biggest myths about prostate cancer. Not to panic you, but to free you from bad info.
You'll hear real stories, surgeons, patients, ordinary men who faced this head on and came out stronger. By the end, you'll understand your body, your risks, and your options in normal human language, not textbook robot talk.
If you're a man, take this as your sign.
If you're a woman, consider this your permission to nudge the man you care about.
So take a breath, drop the myths, and let's walk through a story that could add years and peace to your life.
Younger men can get prostate cancer. Younger men can have care too, especially with genetic risks.
Inherited genes like BRCA2 can sharply raise prostate cancer risk.
Worldwide screening shows more young men being diagnosed early. Most urinary problems come from benign enlargement, not cancer. Cancer grows outward silently, which is why early signs are rare.
No symptoms doesn't mean safety. Silence can be dangerous.
PSA rises for many reasons. High levels don't always mean cancer.
Modern MRI helps avoid unnecessary biopsies and finds true risks.
Prostate cancer behaves differently. Some slow, some very fast.
Biology follows its own rules. Two men the same age can have opposite outcomes.
Never assume your cancer matches someone else's. It can be riskier.
Robotic surgery today is more precise and nerve-sparing than ever. Modern radiation targets cancer while protecting nearby organs.
Today's treatments are far safer than the stories from decades ago.
Right.
Waiting because you're busy can cost you. Screening matters.
Simple education helped him catch his cancer early and survive.
Awareness and early testing helped save his life. Across the world, stories show knowledge, not fear, protects men.
You're now wiser than guys who think car oil matters more than prostate health.
If you're thinking you'll handle this later, stop. Later is costly.
Later turns early cancers into late ones, and simple fixes into battles.
Act now so your family doesn't face what delay can cause.
One small step today. Checkup, PSA talk, or just stop pretending you're fine.
Your doctor will thank you for showing up before things are on fire.
Subscribe to Nourish Today, real health talk without boring lectures.
We bring global experts and simple tips to help you stay healthy.
Hit subscribe, like, and comment to spread life-saving info.
Still not subscribed? Impressive self-control, but don't push it.
This is Nourish Today, where your health becomes your power. Care for yourself like your favorite gadgets before something breaks.